and get your love. Come and get your love, come and get your love now.
You're gonna love Planet Lincoln and the new mobile service van.
LovePlanetLincoln.com.
We work around your lifestyle and your schedule.
Select the time and place that works best for you.
From oil changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections, to brakes, windshield wipers, car batteries, fuel pumps, timing belts, and much, much more.
The Planet Lincoln mobile service van comes to you.
Enjoy a variety of mobile services at your convenience, at home, or even your workplace.
Experience the luxury you deserve.
Now, our factory-certified trained technicians come to you, and we service all makes and models.
The mobile service van from Planet Lincoln, the world's largest Lincoln facility.
Enjoy award-winning service your way. Schedule your service visit today.
Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Come and
Planet
get your love
Lincoln
now.
Mobile Service Van
You're gonna love it.
at loveplanetlincoln.com.